Hi there, welcome to mycadsite.com. I'm here to show you just some very basic things in the first tutorial, and I'm going to show you 4 different ways to start up the line command in AutoCAD. Now, like with many things in AutoCAD, there's several ways to do it, and using your drawing commands is no exception. So the first way to start up a line command is just to easily and quickly type in the word line and press enter. And it's going to ask for 2 points, so I'll just put in my first point at 2, 2, an absolute point, going to 5, 2, another absolute point, and press enter to end the command. So from there I'm going to start up the line command second way, and this is just typing in the shortcut key L. So you press L, enter, and the first point is where I left off, 5, 2, and I want to draw 3 units up to 5, 5, once again using absolute points. So the third way to start up the command, and many other commands, is to use the icon. And here you'll see the line icon, and it asks for the same input, the first point, which is going to be 5, 5, and I'm going to go to 2, 5, and press enter to end the command. So now I want to finish off the square using another way of starting the command, and that is to use the menu. I go to draw line, and I'm going to go from the 2, 5, the last point, to where I started, 2, 2. So now I have a perfect square that is 3 units wide by 3 units wide, and I'm just going to quickly dimension this to show that it is in fact 3 units by 3 units. And so there you go, different ways to start the commands, and using absolute input points to get exact measurements. Thanks for watching.